Big consumer news this week, of course, is the millions of notebook computer batteries being recalled because of severe overheating. So, 3 on Your Side's Gary Harper tested a few products designed to keep your laptop from getting too hot, but question is, do they work? Gary?
Good question. That's what we wanted to know, Patty. This is one of the products that we're talking about tonight. It actually has 2 fan blades. You can see them right there. The fan is supposed to actually pull the heat away from the computer, and that's supposed to, at least they tell us, it's supposed to pull the heat away from your computer. You simply put it on your desk and go ahead and put your laptop on top of it like that. Costs around $30. Big question, though, does it work?
Despite the recent headlines and pictures that you may have seen regarding laptop batteries overheating and even catching fire, Data Doctors founder Ken Colburn says it's a rare occurrence.
It's more likely the memory, the processor, which generates the most amount of heat, and then the hard drive itself.
Check this out. Ken measured the temperature on the bottom of his laptop. With the cover off, this part of the computer measures at around 124 degrees. With the cover on, it's still hot, 105 degrees. Imagine that on your lap. So we tested a couple of products to see if they live up to what the packaging says they would do and keep your laptop cool. Up first is the Targus Notebook Cooling Chill Mat. It costs around $30. Plugs right into the USB port of your laptop and uses 2 fans to pull heat away from the bottom of your computer and then blows it out the side.
Yeah, it's going to move air from underneath the laptop. I don't think it's going to make any real significant difference.
Well, it turns out it didn't make much of a difference in the temperature at all. If it did anything, it simply kept the heat off of Ken's lap.
There's not that direct contact with the heat, so from that standpoint, obviously this is going to provide some relief.
What about the Kensington Portable Notebook Cooling Stand? It sells for $20 and it's pretty low tech. It simply lifts up the notebook and claims to create airflow underneath. But our test didn't show a bit of difference.
We're pretty much seeing the same temperature. Again, the surface temperatures aren't really going to change just because there's a little bit of extra air path there.
So if you're concerned about your laptop having problems, Ken says save your money on cooling products because heat should probably be the least of your worries.
It's not near as common as dropping it or spilling something in it or just flat out failure.
Good point. Now, we love testing out products to see if they actually work like they say they're supposed to. If you have one, you're a little apprehensive about spending some money on